Hello guys, this is Lana, realtor investor. Today I'm making video about YouTube and about subscribers. YouTube counts differently. Take a look. For example, people who subscribe, they're here. For example, you can see them, these people. But the problem is people who hide their subscriptions, they are not here. So you have to go here on your channel settings and then go settings. You can take a look channel, and your subscription shouldn't be shouldn't be private. It has to be public. Actually, it's not here. It has to be somewhere here. Not monetization. I think it's here. Settings. Advanced. Advanced settings. Then manage YouTube account. And then view advanced settings. You go privacy. If you put keep all my subscriptions private, it means nobody sees it and your subscription is not counted. If you subscribe to somebody else, your subscription will not be visible to others. Manage your subscriptions here. Let's see, let's take a look what's happening here. For example, right now I can see, and if you subscribe to somebody else and you want to be not visible, counted, and this person can see you as a subscribers, you have to keep all my subscription private. You have to do it off, on or off. It has to be off. If it's off, then you can go in your account and see your subscribers. Advanced settings. You go here, home, and then your account, your channel. And if you'd like to see your subscribers, YouTube Studio, and people who really subscribe to you, and people that don't hide their privacy for subscribing is on. There is no privacy, it's on, everybody see that. Then you can see your current subscribers. Take a look here. You see, for example, it's here. If you have privacy for your subscriptions, so for your subscriptions, it's better to say, then it's off. That's why if you'd like to be counted as a subscriber to my channel, you have to put this privacy off. Okay? If you have any questions, post in comments. Thank you, bye.